Welcome to Automate CXO Conversations. I'm joined by Mr. Rajiv Kapoor, who's the MD of Steelbird. Thank you, sir, for having us over here in your Baddi plant. And my first question to you is you're expanding your plant over here. You've recently gotten a facility that scales hundreds of thousands of square feet. Tell us more about it. Like, what is the plant capacity going to be? And when will it start being in operation?
Okay, so at the moment we have 6 plants in Himachal, in Baddi, where you are, and we have 3 plants in Noida, and we can produce 1.5 crore helmets a year. With this plant will be producing 1 crore helmet by 2032. So this is 22-acre plants. We will be building up 1.5 million square feet, 15 lakh square feet we are going to build here. This plant will be operational in a phased manner. Till Diwali, we will start EPS plant, EPML plant, tool room, and few more facilities. And by 2032, this plant will be producing 1 crore helmet a year.
That's the target for you on just this plant.
On this,
So
just this
overall,
plant.
if we talk about the capacity, what is the capacity of Steelbird to produce helmets by your targeted year?
So by 2032, will be 2.5 crore helmets
A year.
a year.
Excellent. Adding to your new lineup, being world's largest helmet, manufacturers, you've introduced a new series, which is a carbon fiber helmet, Ignite. What was the need of it? Because Steelbird seems to be operating in that entry level to like mid level, and this is like your really high end level, carbon fiber integrated helmet. What was the need to come up with this product SKU for you?
Okay. So Steelbird target is that Steelbird should have all kind of helmets in their range. Surely we have from entry level to mid level. Now Ignite series is for our high end riders. But now in India, riders want good quality helmet. People become more safety conscious. So all are looking for a good quality helmet. So we have Ignite series. In Steelbird also we have a European standard helmets. In Ignite we have European standard helmets. So now we launched a carbon fiber helmet because lot of riders and racers are also demanding a carbon fiber. They are searching for imported brands, then they buy the imported helmet, then they suffer that there is no visor available, no spares are available. So then they lost money. So now we have launched carbon fiber helmets for Indian riders. So they get made in India, made for them, the best quality product.
And if we talk about a little more in terms of safety, last year we saw a lot of road accidents, like every year in India. There has been a recent, incident in Delhi as well, where the rider was wearing helmet, got hit by a car, still lost their life. Their parents have been, really petitioning the government for more safety measures. What is your take on this? Because you've been championing the rider safety helmet wearing, audience for a very long time.
Yeah, since decades I am working on road safety. Now we are working with UN, with WHO, Global Alliance, and we launch missions save lives all over the world. That how to save human lives because we are losing incredible life in road accident. And we launched the mission save lives 2.0 in India also. As per me, we are losing 10 lakh lives in India only. If you see the WHO report, there is more than 300,000 people die on road accident in India. But there are many incidents which are not reported also. So we are working on it. So the lot of things we have proposed to the government also. First thing is that every two-wheeler company should provide 2 helmets along with the motorcycle. So the real certified helmets reach to the customer with the motorcycle because all the showroom owners or shopkeepers are providing fake helmets. In India, 50% helmets are fake. So for the sake of money, they are providing the fake helmets to the customer. So which is very wrong. So when you will have 2 helmets with a motorcycle, you will save a lot of human lives. Then in motorcycles, scooters, there should be a AI sensors. If riders and pillion riders are not wearing a helmet, it keep on beeping. So automatically the riders and pillion riders has to wear the helmet. And when it is a certified helmets coming with the motorcycle or a scooter, they will wear it. So by this way, we will save the human lives. So a lot of things we are doing all over the world with advocacy, with CSR activity. We are talking to the corporate world to provide the helmets with in CSR activity. I hope just for with the CSR activity another 2, 3, 5 years we will be doing 100 crores turnover because all corporate world is also providing helmets to the customers.
Correct. And if I talk about, like even your competitors, they've always provided helmets but they've also expanded into like riding gears, riding boots, riding gloves, and that is something that is also gaining a lot of traction in India when it comes to safety. That helmet is not enough. You need to have like riding gears. What's Steelbird doing in that sector?
So we are already producing jackets, gloves, but surely we are too much busy in expanding our helmet business. Okay, because we will be producing 2.5 crore helmets. It's a very big number. But in a new plant, we are setting up a facility to produce all riding gears in house. And I think so by next year, you will find a complete range of riding gears produced by Steel, but in house in Baddi for Indian riders.
Thank you so much, Rajiv, for joining us. It's always a pleasure
Same here.
meeting you. And you can also read the entire transcript of this interview on ndtv.com. Thanks so much for watching.